Hi everyone. This video I want to explain about something happened in the near Walking Street. We already been in the festival. What name Shairo festival?
Tigan Tarakan.
Tigan Tirakan festival in Angeles. So many bloggers inside. Maybe you already watch our live stream. And we just going to from Walking Street near Phyllis already. Shaira already say thank you for watching in Walking Street, but I continue video because it's for our safety. I always hold my camera, even I not want to upload this video, but I hold camera and take video. Some of foreigner, they go together with group of foreigner, big guys. You can see now this video, his face. I hold my camera and before he hide his face, try to hide his face. So I think it's okay, I can blur his face, but I not want to upload this video. It's just only video, not for public. But we not expected. He put like aggressive and try to attack me to my hand with camera, and one to the hand like this, one to the camera. Maybe you can see later in this video. And they say bad words to us. Shaira also say to him, "What you doing?"
Yes, what she's doing, and he said not good word. That's why I said, what's your problem? If you don't want in the video, just only say to us, and why you need to do like that. And if you don't want here in the Philippines and you not want to take some video, come back to your country.
Yes, maybe, but he hear what you say.
Because I shouted.
But I don't understand why.
And I not also expected it. Because we just walk only. Come back to
Yes.
his
If he don't want in the video, he can say to us, I don't want in the video. Of course, I can say to him, but I not upload video.
And also, we're not recording that time because we're just going to home, and I just already finished talk already like the end of the video. But after that, it's already, what happened, I said. Yes.
So many bloggers everywhere, Philippine blogger, foreign bloggers.
Yes.
And now Sunday, Friday, so many bloggers with camera take video. If he want to fight with everyone, do what? I don't understand.
Maybe he can fight with other people there.
Yeah, yes, maybe this guy it's not better attitude always. He want to fight everyone. If he want to fight, it's okay. If he fight with me, I not return. I not fight with him. I just do it. I go to hospital. I know what I need to do, and this guy go to the jail. I know how to send him to jail.
But he cannot control her.
If he cannot control, yes, he will pay so much money to police and also to me, because I have already video recording.
Yes.
That's why you watch video right now and you can understand. We don't want, if someone don't like video, we always to remove face who don't like. Every video we can put in description, our email. No problem to remove face from the blur or cut video. I don't understand this guy. Sorry for this video, it's not positive.
We just not expecting.
Yes, because I am shocked. I don't know, I not expected this one. So someone attacked me.
Maybe if he go to Tigan Tarakan right now, maybe so many vloggers there, so many cameras right now, and they are recording right now in live stream. So maybe he will gunfight with all people there.
Maybe he know us because
I don't care if he know us. but
maybe he watch our channel.
If her attitude, his attitude.
If I want to say to this guy, if you want to meet with me personal, you can meet with me. I'm not afraid of you. I can meet with you alone, one by one. If you want fight with me, I don't want fight with you in the Philippines. I follow rules in the Philippines. I don't want if someone also attack another people. No reason. It's no reason.
You know why foreigner fighting with another foreigner, because they cannot fight with a Filipino because they know already the rules here.
Shaira, the foreigner also he cannot fight.
Da?
He go to the Philippines not for fight. He need follow rules in the Philippines.
Yes, I know, but why?
In public place to fight with another people, it's not good. I think it's in no reason. Okay, okay.
Thank you
Okay,
for watching, guys.
you can continue watch this video about this guy.
Yes.
Okay, Shaira, let's go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Thank you.
Not touch. What he...
Stupid!
Stupid, you say stupid. I have video of his face. I will upload. If he do it like this, I will upload to YouTube. Hi, hi. If he say to me good, please not upload video with my face. Of course I not do it, but he Shaira, he try to broke my camera right now.
I said that's why. If you don't like
You see how he do it?
it, then you go back to her country.
Yes, if he don't want Philippines, he just leave Philippines. We can help to him. We can help. If he do it wrong in the Philippines, we can help to him and he will go to his country. If he don't want to follow rules in the Philippines, as if he not kind.
You know, so many stupid foreigners here.
Not so many stupid foreigners, Shaira, but but I don't know, he not drunk. I
See it,
Hi?
I can see it.
I will upload this video and show to all people who is. Yes.